What is up, you guys? It's your boy C. Corey back with another video. So, just added air to the car. I will say, it feels like the car is gonna end up driving better, I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, the car drives way better now. Oh my gosh. Way better. So all I had to do really was add some air. Because before, I think my pressure was too low. I had it on like 28, 29, and it's just way too low. Should I get a car wash right now? I'm probably gonna end up washing it Friday or Saturday anyway, so it really doesn't matter. Should I get a car wash first? Debating. But then I also want to film this video and get it out the way. So you know what? I'm gonna end up filming this POV first, then I'm gonna get a car wash afterwards. And that's how we're gonna do it. But I hope everyone's having a great day today. I'm thinking of getting an exhaust soon. You guys know I've been saying that. That's the only thing I want to do on this car. That's the only thing left really on this car. It's either going to be titanium or track exhaust. I just don't know which one. So all you Corvette owners that watch my page or watch the videos or whatever, leave it in the comments or DM me on Instagram. Let me know which one you think is better. I want whatever is the loudest, and it must have valves because it will throw a code if I don't get the exhaust that has the valves on it. So that is 100%, I need that. So must have the valves that come with it. But yeah, I definitely want the exhaust to be loud. It needs to be loud. I mean, the whole point of spending $4,000 or $5,000 for an exhaust, I need that screaming. So yeah, I'm so jealous of the Z06 owners, like the ones that really put a titanium exhaust on there. It sounds insane. With these models, it just sounds deeper. Like, it sounds crazy too, don't get me wrong, it's still loud. But there's Porschista. That's funny. And I was just thinking of her too. I saw her posting on her page before. So that's funny, I just seen her. She actually drives her Porsche. Unlike a lot of people really don't drive their Porsche like that. So damn, come on. People act like they really can't just turn. Like, just turn already. Let's see what we get into. But yeah, all the videos I'm recording this week, I'm actually kind of saving them for like end of November into December. Because December, I'm not going to be able to record or do anything. So I'm trying to make sure I have enough content for you guys, so I can at least upload, you know, a couple times for that month. So I will keep you posted on everything. But we're gonna have some fun in sport mode. Let me get in front of this guy real quick. Nobody wants to drive, okay. This exhaust sounds just stock as is. And I hate that it doesn't sound crazy on camera. Like, when I edit these videos and I watch them again, it doesn't sound like how I can hear it right now. And if I open the back window, you'll hear it a little bit more. Let's try doing a pull with the back window open. Let's see. I want to catch it under this tunnel. right POV with no music. Because I'm just enjoying the exhaust sounds right now. Come on, people, come on. And everyone's just wasting space. Like, what is all this? Look, this dude's chilling. This dude's not even going anywhere, bro. Everybody's just chilling here. And it sucks when you want to kind of like get around. And you got no choice but to do stuff like that. You got no choice. So when I see challengers like this, because I did see one that was a cop before, so now I'm always extra paranoid, even though it's probably not a cop, but still, you really just never know. Oh my god, that's why I hate Florida, man. When I tell you nobody wants to drive, it's crazy. But yeah, I honestly will say the car drives so much better. Like, I really believe that's all I really needed, was to just add some air to the tires, because the car runs way smoother. It's not shaky. Like, yeah, this is what I should have done. But yeah, when I first got the tires put on, they had the pressure up to like 35, 36, which was crazy to me, because it gets hot here in Florida. So on really hot days, it'll go up to like 38, 39, which is what I don't want. So I took out a whole bunch of air and then I left it in, and I was like, all right, let me see how this is. But the ride itself was a little bit damn, look at that. But the ride itself was a little bit shaky. So right now I feel fine. Like, the car's driving super smooth right now. So I guess I'm gonna stick to 32. Let's get back to the cut-up session real quick. Gotta make sure it's not no cop. I need some music too now, forget it. Let's get some music going right now. Oh no, I'm out this lane. Out this lane. Damn. Yeah, that's really the one thing though. Cops be out early here. Oh, there's a cop right there. Damn. Let me try to get out his rear view real quick. Let's get out of his rear view. Damn, I can't even go crazy now. Alright, so we're back to chilling, and we're gonna turn some music on. Wait for this ad. But yeah, that's definitely a cop, because my radar is going off like crazy. So there's two cops back to back. Got it. Got it. That's why everyone's going slow. Like, I was like, it's no traffic, but everyone's going real slow right now. And now I get it. Take it, bro. Is it a real cop though? Oh, yeah, I think so. I think so. Yeah, I think so. Some of these roads are bumpy, man. is so slow. Oh my god. I think it's an exit though. I can't tell. Oh my gosh. I don't know why I even put myself in these positions, honestly. All right, let's try to get out of here real quick. Let's try to get out of here. Oh, that's why construction there too. I'll never understand these type of people though. The ones that literally just like they drive right behind the trucks. That's what I'll just never get, honestly. I would never get that. Makes sense why there's so much cops now. Look at my gas too. My gas is low right now.
What it's for? If they show it on the news, they say it's gangs. Tell us more. Tell us why. If our people going crazy, trying to die. Make it out the hood and go to the army. Need 9 lives. Only got like 4 left. They try to kill me 5 times. They gon' laugh if you fell, but if you win, it's high five. And you wonder why I be looking all funny with the side eye. I'm like, what the size war? I'm at war with myself in the mirror. Like, are you sure? Tell them raw. I was taking a risk for a rock below. And some brand new forces crazy. They lock my door. I'm at war with the system now, cause I wanted some clothes. I'm at war with these people now, cause I wanted the rose. Cause I wanted my family out the hood where they suppose. I want war with everybody, say I suppose I had the old. I'm like, who decides war? Thinking to myself, like, who decided to get to shoot a bomb? Crush a building, kill a whole family like a group of 5. Go back to your family like you good and then you lose your mind. Who decide? When you all alone and it's you and God and you the one getting scrutinized. Young and 16, they didn't get to do a time. They buried him in the dicky, he was scared to wear a suit and tie. Just said great, he's gonna die. I told my dog chase his dream, he like who am I seen the American shattered dreams between you and I. All that depression didn't mean to commit suicide, man. Who decide? Who gon' make it out or who should die? See a good go broke and then lose his mind. Trying to have too much remorse about who's the why. Who decides war?
Love that song, man. I love it. But yeah, if you guys made it to this part of the video, I appreciate you watching. Please give this video a big like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you on the next one. Peace.